Welcome to today's discussion on predicting home prices using regression models. Let's dive in. Here's what we'll cover in this video. First, we'll look at the types of regression models used for predicting home prices. Then, we'll discuss how to compare models using key regression metrics. We'll explore the role of cross-validation in evaluating model performance. I'll also show you how to implement regression models in Python. Finally, we'll summarize the key takeaways from this case study. The dataset we're working with includes 76 home sales near Seattle, Washington. It contains features like sales price, square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, year built, and garage size. Two models are considered: a simple linear regression using only square footage and a multiple linear regression incorporating additional features like year built and garage size. Both models are trained using an 80-20 training test split to ensure fair evaluation. When comparing these models, we use several metrics: mean squared error, MSE, and mean absolute error, MAE. Measure prediction accuracy. R² quantifies the proportion of variance explained by the model. Statistical criteria like a cake information criterion, AIC, and Bayesian information criterion, BIC, help assess model complexity and fit. Multiple regression typically outperforms simple regression in explaining variance and reducing error, but these metrics guide the final choice of model. Cross-validation plays a crucial role in evaluating model reliability. Methods like tenfold cross-validation and leave one out cross-validation help ensure the model generalizes well to unseen data. These techniques minimize the risk of bias introduced by a single train test split and provide a more robust assessment of model performance. For implementing regression models in Python, we use libraries like scikit-learn. The example code demonstrates loading the dataset, splitting it into training and test sets, fitting a linear regression model, and evaluating it using cross-validation. This process ensures both simplicity and effectiveness in model implementation and comparison. To summarize, regression models are invaluable for predicting outcomes like home prices. By comparing models using metrics like MSE, MAE, and R², we can assess their performance effectively. Cross-validation ensures the selected model is reliable and generalizes well to new data. Python libraries make it easy to implement and evaluate these models. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.